Hello, this is Hadris with WDI. I want you to see this pretty model lipstick. I love this pink lipstick because it's in one of my favorite colors and I think it's apply really well. It takes a few minutes to dry, but then it's completely dry and doesn't stain glosses when we drink something. I usually don't paint my lips because I'm not very good at it. I even got a bit on my finger, but this time it worked because its smooth and liquid texture made it very easy. The pink color is super cute. It makes the lips stand out more while still keeping things simple. It can be used both during the day and at night, so it's perfect. The packing is rectangular, which makes it look more elegant when storing it with the others. I was quite surprised that it stayed the same even after 4 hours, even during the dinner. I love how it looks, and it will definitely be one of my favorites. And this is my point of view.